What is up, guys? I'm back on this Yamaha 242. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. You'll get notifications for this and other jobs. We are pretty much deep into it here. I've already got some glass. This morning I came and masked all this off. Oh, and climb my skinny ass down here. Cut a hole. Got that piece right here. And of course we've got the access port hole, which is also sitting right here. It needs to be wind up a little bit, but that is not my focus today. So I cut this out, I ground it. I don't want to stick this too far in to get my phone crazy. We've got glass all the way down. So this is going to sit a day, possibly two, considering it's Saturday. And then I can close it up, both the hole there and from underneath. I can glass from underneath, give that a grind and some fairing, and lay the outer skin on top of that, and then fair that, gel coat, fair this, gel coat, boom, 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 boom. We're gonna try to get this done. Oh yeah, and I gotta put the damn gas tank back there. That should be fun. Anyways, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Again, like the video, subscribe. You'll get notification for this and other videos. Appreciate it. Thanks a lot.